Well, with all the snow that we're supposed to be getting tomorrow on Wednesday, I gotta do a little bit of getting ready for it, so I figured I'd do a video, a little gearing up for a snowstorm. And along with that, I'm also gonna do some cold starts. I have to start up the wheel horse loader, hasn't run for about 2 or 3 days. I gotta do the Aaron's loader, which hasn't run for about probably the same as the wheel horse. And I gotta do the Gravely Commercial 12 that's up behind the garage here. And possibly a few other things, maybe my little snowblower and stuff. So we'll see how it goes. So we might as well start off with the Aaron's. See how that thing goes. I'll crank right up. It's a bit dark, but it's I think it's about 25 or 24 out, so it's kind of chilly. Let's see how it cranks. Bad. Let that warm up for a while. Usually let it warm up for about 5 or 10 minutes, the engine, and then I engage the PTO and heat up the hydraulic fluid for a while, then I'll move it. And now, at the same time, I'll do the wheel horse because I can't shut that one off. So, this one's kind of tough to start in the cold weather, but we'll see if it can't fire up. Condensation in there. Now once these are all warmed up, I'll go up and fire up the Commercial 12. See how that starts. I gotta move that down here to the driveway so that thing can be ready to go for tomorrow. Alright, well I got the wheel horse out there now, and I blew up one of the rear tires because it was getting a bit low. And I got the Aaron's in here now. I got the little battery minder on it for the night. Hopefully it'll get the battery back up to par again. So I got about, a quarter of a tank, which ought to hold me through. I don't use this as my main snow moving machine. Usually I'll use the little Simplicity out here that I have. But with all the snow we're getting, I'm going to be bringing the Commercial 12 down. I'll put it right next to the wheel horse there with the snowblower on it in case we get a lot more than that can handle. So this seems to be all set for tomorrow, so it's ready to go. And now I'll go do a cold start of the Commercial 12. Figured it wouldn't stay running. Carburetor still needs to be adjusted some, but hasn't run for about probably a couple days now. Can't really see much, but I'll bring it down in front of the garage. carburetor's still going to need some adjusting, but for now I got it running. It was running out of gas before, so it seems alright. Pretty sure that's going to get rid of any snow we got with the 12-horse engine behind it. Well, last startup for tonight was going to be the Generac 10,000 watt generator. You guys haven't seen this up for a while. I did have a video on it when we first got it, and we finally got it running again. Runs real good. Hopefully it'll start right up. And we did wire in a plug here so we can plug into the house and get our whole house back up. Just shut off the main breaker to the outside power lines and we're all set to go. So hopefully it ought to fire up, and when it does, that light should come on. Well, that's all set. So if we do get power out, I know it'll run. Just got to fill it up with gas and it's good to go. So we'll have to see what happens with tomorrow, whether we're going to get a lot of snow or not. And hopefully I ought to have some snow clearing videos up. So we'll have to see what happens.